Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now listen, I'm just popping on real quick to share with you a few reasons why, if you have not already done so, and you were contemplating doing this, you'll go ahead and do so as soon as possible. Now, reasons as to why you want to join our Patreon family. Okay, so the videos go up there first. Anything that you see here on YouTube, it's already been up on Patreon for about a day. Anywhere between 5 hours to a day earlier. Secondly, because YouTube has an algorithm which determines how they recommend and promote other videos, they typically will promote new videos or videos to new people that are 20 minutes or shorter. Okay, so that's my findings. So that being said, oftentimes I will condense my content down to 20 minutes or less. On Patreon, the full length version is up. So I'll post there first. I'll also post the full length. Over here, you get it a day later and you get a condensed version. So it's 20 minutes or less. But you still get the content. You still get the gist of what I'm doing. You just don't get the chit chat. You don't get the instructions. You may not get the conversation that goes along with, what I'm creating with or why I'm creating it, But you get the intro conversation and the end result conversation. A third reason why is because I create videos exclusively for my Patreon family. So there's videos on that channel that you won't see here on YouTube. And last but not least, my patrons have access to one free digital every month. Whether I create it exclusively for Patreon or whether I create a digital kit and make a portion of it available for my patrons, there's a free digital every month. And so with that being said, so you got 4 reasons. If you want to support your girl and support your creativity, head over to the Patreon channel. The link is down below, and I'll be happy to have you guys over there. Now, I'm going to show you this month's digital so that you can have an idea of what we get over there, what you get over there. So here is, this is just a mini version of a kit that I'm working on. It'll be available later on in the month, if not early part of next month, in my Etsy shop. So this is a journal page, okay? You have 2 Chicago flats. That's the style of building, obviously. And I have family, my dad's side of the family lives in Chicago, and when I was growing up, family vacations, we'd go there, and this is how the homes were built, and that's what we stayed in. So anyways, we got the 2 Chicago flats. You got a little postage stamp back there, little steampunk gear there, vintage balloon, brick in the background, scripting, watercolor flower, a beautiful little bird, scripting, and watercolor cloud. And I'm going to bring this up close so you can get an idea of the beautiful details of it. These are muted colors, pinks and blues, and a little bit of blush. I call this blushes and blues. It'll probably have a different name by the time it's all said and done. All right, and so that is just the journal page. The second is the postcard and the journal card and the journaling tag, and they all have elements that you've seen on the journal page, right? Postcard is about 6 by 4 inches, and the journaling card is a 1/2 inch larger. The journaling tag is approximately 6 inches by 4 inches. Okay, so I'll bring that up close so you can see a little bit of that detail. And again, the full kit will be made available in my Etsy shop probably within the next week or so. Okay. And then last but not least is the envelope. All right. So the envelope this is the envelope cut out. flip that over. And this is how you, now I didn't ink around the edges, but if you ink around the edges, you'll be able to see a little bit more of the detail. But, so here you have the back. It actually goes like this. Here's the front. And I put the square off centered so that you could, or the opening I should say, if it's a frame, so that you could put your return address there and the recipient's address there if you chose to actually use this as a mailing envelope. All right, so you can use this as is like that. You can use it as a journaling spot with a tuck back here, or you can use it as a regular envelope. Okay, and this is what the journaling page looks like. Printed out full with no borders, borderless printing I should say. All right. So that's one side, and then that's the opposite side. Love that little bird, isn't he the cutest little thing? All right, and so that is what is made available as a freebie for the month of May for our Patreon family. So for those who are members of the Patreon, I thank you guys for supporting me and continuously through your membership continuously, and I hope that you guys enjoy each month's freebie and digitals and enjoy playing and working with them and creating with them. Now again, there is a link below to the Patreon channel, and you are more than welcome to head on over there and join us. All right, so that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until we're back together here on Patreon and YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. Going to Chicago. I actually do need to go to Chicago.